Straight parallel cuts can be made in outerglass acrylic sheet with a 5 horsepower table saw. The recommended blade is carbide tip with teeth of the triple chip style. These teeth have a positive rake angle of 5 to 10 degrees and give adequate clearance to reduce heat generation. When working with the table saw, it's extremely important that the fence is positioned parallel to the blade to prevent binding and frictional heat. The saw blade should protrude approximately 12 millimeters through the material. We recommend a manual feed rate of 4 to 6 meters per minute and at 80-tooth blade for single sheet cutting. Cutting a 25 millimeter thick stack of outerglass acrylic sheet is normally done with panel saws, such as this overhead horizontal model. The support surface of the overhead panel saw should have a minimal blade slot opening and be flush across the opening to minimize possible material deflection that could result in chattering and chipping of the material. The faster the feed rate, the more teeth are required per blade. We recommend a 4 to 6 meters per minute manual feed rate with a 60-tooth blade. Sawing problems can usually be traced either to chipping or melting. If chipping occurs, the feed rate should be slowed and the blade penetration through the sheet decreased. A lesser rake angle on the tooth will also minimize chipping. Melting can be eliminated or minimized by increasing feed rates and increasing the blade penetration through the sheet. Remember to keep your blade sharp. Only the manufacturer should resharpen the recommended blades. Band sawing is another way of cutting outerglass acrylic sheet if you're satisfied with a rough rather than finished cut. It's difficult to obtain a smooth, melt-free edge with band sawing. Choose bandsaw blades with 2 to 6 teeth per centimeter. If melting must be eliminated, fewer teeth and teeth per centimeter with a hook-style tooth will minimize heat generation on the sheet, but will cause more chipping. Saber, or reciprocating saws, can also be used to cut outerglass acrylic sheet. This type of saw tends to produce severe melting because the cutting action is concentrated within 2 to 4 centimeters of the blade. We've found, however, that melting and chipping can be virtually eliminated through the use of proper saber saw blades. Such blades have 4 teeth per centimeter.